Hi, my name's Shawnee.
Hi, my name's Jazzy. We're making eggs.
It's either scrambled eggs or over easy. Or over hard.
Scrambled.
Yeah, scrambled.
My name's Cyrus, and man, these eggs are delicious. It was just so fun because, I think it's more of the experience with, friends and stuff. It made it have more than just food. It made it exciting, fun, and tasty.
My name is Camila. We're making scrambled eggs in cooking class.
I made these ones, but I ate them all. Yeah, so what happened here is, so Brooke made some over hard easy egg or whatever, but what happened was the yolk ended up drying and it came out.
My name's Audrey. I had fun cooking my eggs, even though Cyrus says they're slimy, because I probably didn't finish cooking them. I'm looking forward to making desserts in cooking class because I'm a big dessert person.